Hello my friends, thank you for tuning in once again. In this tutorial, this is the final tutorial, the final episode of my table element. I just want to add a little bit of styling of my table here. I want to use another tag that can be used in a table in order to maybe change some things on the columns of your of your table. I'm going to talk about the call group. The call group. In the call group, I'm going to add it here at the top of my header. I just want to add it at the top of my header. At the top of my header, and add the call group tag. Call group, and close it. Call group. This is the call group tag. Okay, so I'm going to write some other empty tags or empty elements inside this call group tag. So I'm going to write the call tag is an empty tag, and I need 4 of these because I have 4 columns in my table. So I'm gonna need 4 of these. Right, let me just reload and just focus here on the browser and see if there is any change that you're going to notice. I don't see any change after reloading my browser, but the change is going to be seen after I have added this attribute. I'm just going to style the columns, maybe give them different colors, different background colors, so that you will see the difference amongst the, that this call group column, this call group tag is going to make to our table. I want to give these columns different colors. I'm just going to make my styling here. I could make my styling here in my CSS, but in order to do that, I'll have to add some other attributes like the classes, the IDs for these different calls. I could add. Let me add so that I do the CSS at once. Or I can just do it here using the inline CSS style and use the background property and assign a color of red maybe, and then reload my browser. You will notice that the first column now, since these are in the first column, so it's going to also apply the red color to them. So since we have actually changed the color here to red, so it is going to apply it on the first column. So I'm going to change the other columns to different colors using the same style, inline style. Then maybe make this one green or blue, and reload. You'll notice that the second column now is changing to blue. Then I'm going to change the color of the third column to maybe green. You notice that it is now green, and then change the color of the last column to another color, and let's say maybe we say teal. I like this color, teal. It's my favorite color, by the way. There you go. That is how you can use the call group tag in order to make changes to your columns. But this style, you can apply it on your external CSS, whereby you will use the ID to target each column here. Maybe you say you have your ID call 1, that's ID call 2, ID call 3, ID call 4 to target your column, so that you apply these different color schemes, different background colors to those columns. So Thank you for tuning in to this video. I will see you in the next video. Please don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and comment to this video so that you assist me and in improving these videos and also help more people access this free and wonderful content on the web. Thank you very much for your support. I really appreciate your likes, your comments, your subscriptions, so that you will be able to be notified of any new content that has been uploaded to this channel. Thank you very much. Goodbye for now. See you in the next tutorial where I am going to be teaching you about the list element. I'm going to be delving into detail of the list element. Thank you very much. Goodbye.